So welcome Dadi's Awesome Kitchen. So today I'm going to make a avocado flatbread. So I have 2 avocados peeled and cut in pieces. Now I'm going to mash them. Just with this masher, just mash it like that. So sometimes they're a bit not right, but these are perfectly right avocados. This is how it looks like. I have 1.5 cup chickpeas, black chickpeas flour, which is besan. So I'm gonna add that in here. 1 cup of sorghum flour, which is jowar atta. So I'm gonna add that in here. Making a vegan, so it's really healthy, really tasty. So I'm gonna mix that in here. So I have 1 medium onion cut in very fine pieces. Add that in here also. I have 1 jalapeno pepper also cut in very fine. Add that here. I have 1 tablespoon ginger, also fine shredded. And coriander, a couple tablespoons, cut it in small pieces. And I have like 6 cloves of garlic also shredded. And 1 lemon juice. I add that in here also. And salt to taste. Mix everything in here. Yeah. So I'm going to use my hand. That's the best way to mix flour. We're almost there. And not fine. It's gonna be very yummy. You can make this avocado rotis and flatbread and keep in the fridge for a couple of weeks. You can eat it for breakfast, lunch, with the dinner. Instead of eating bread, you can have that. It's excellent. So there you go. Dough is ready. I put the stove on. It's gonna take few minutes to get ready. Meanwhile, I'm gonna bring the dry flour and the roller. Then we go from here. The dough is a little bit sticky because it's chickpea flour. So just use dry flour. Make it this size. That's pretty good. This is a little bit too small. So I'm gonna use this other one, the small ones. This is a good size. Roll it like that, soft, with the soft hands. So I'm rolled it just like that, softly. You roll softly and just put it on the fry pan. I got one here, just like that. It's cooking perfectly. Press it down if you like, but you don't have to. There you go. It's really tasty. You guys should try it. It's really awesome. It's healthy. There you go, that's done. So there's onion there, ginger there, coriander there. That's why a little bit stick up there, so that's okay. Here you go. Now I'm brushing with the oil, which is avocado oil. You can use anything. avocado flatbread is ready, and this girl is gonna taste it, and there you go. Girls, it's hot. Try it. There you go. And I'm gonna try myself. That's so good. So you can have this for breakfast, lunch, and it will replace your regular bread. It's really good. So please try it. And remember to like my video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's very good.